Hey, let me show you how we can connect the Marshall Major 5 with any Android smartphone. In this case, I'm using the Pixel 7 Pro. So, first of all, you have to just grab your headphones and turn them on by using this gold button. You have to click and hold it and wait until this indicator turns on. And keep holding a little bit longer until you hear notification inside the headphones. There we go. Now they are in the pairing mode. So we have to just open the Bluetooth settings on the phone, go to the connected devices, click to pair new device and select Major 5 from the list. Accept the pairing. And now when we are connected, we can use our headphones, but also you can get the application, the Marshall application from the Google Play Store. This is actually the full name, the Marshall Bluetooth. We have to click on the install button. And now we just have to wait for this installation process, so it will take around a few moments. There we go. Now we can open it. Now we have to click here to accept the end user license. Now we can input our email to stay up to date with some features, but honestly I'm gonna skip this step. I don't want to share my data, so I'm gonna skip. Now we have to click to add the device, accept this Bluetooth permission and select the Major 5 from the list. And after a few seconds we will be actually connected. Okay, it's actually still searching for them for some reason, but as you can see the headphones are actually turned on. But I remember that when I was previously using the Major application, I've got some issues. Okay, but now after waiting, we got the pairing request, so we have to accept. And looks like the application is still thinking. Okay, but now we are connected. So yeah, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.